Hey everyone, in this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily download a ChatGPT conversation as a PDF file, whether you're using a Mac or a Windows PC. Let's get started. First, as you can see, I'm currently on ChatGPT and I want to save this conversation as a PDF. The first thing you need to do is open Google and search for Chrome Web Store. Click on the official Chrome Web Store link. Once you're there, use the search bar at the top to search for ChatGPT Exporter. Click on the first result that appears. Now, on the extension page, click Add to Chrome and then select Add Extension to install it. Once it's installed, close the Chrome Web Store tab and return to ChatGPT. Make sure to refresh the page so the extension loads properly. After refreshing, you'll notice two new buttons in the bottom right corner of the ChatGPT window. Click on the drop-down menu under Select. Here, you can choose to export all, only questions, or only answers. For this tutorial, I'll select all. Next, click on the Export drop-down menu and select PDF. A settings window will pop up where you can customize the export. Choose your font size, set the page format, edit the title and other content options. Once you're happy with the settings, click Generate. The extension will now create the PDF file. Once it's ready, simply click to open it. And there you go. Your entire ChatGPT conversation has been exported as a PDF. It's that easy. And that's how you can quickly download a ChatGPT conversation as a PDF on both Mac and Windows.